Okay, so it doesn't mean like as we have syntax if in bracket logical condition. So it doesn't mean always like we are going to check condition every time. Okay, but in general, if loop, else, while loop, do while loop. Okay, so these are what these are checking the conditions. Okay, but as like yesterday we have seen one example. Yes, like if I'm writing only the numbers. Okay, I'll copy this code, paste it somewhere. Yesterday we have seen example of hash include. Right, this is preprocessor directive. Then I'm having main function, body of main function, and here I'm going to write, let's say integer a is equal to 10. Okay, and here I'm doing what? If simply I will write any integer number. Okay, who returns the value true, that means 1, and printf. Condition is true, and I'm having else. Okay. Condition is false. Okay, when you run the program, it will return true because other than 0. Yesterday we have we made one statement. In if function, if you write a single value other than 0, it will return or it will execute the program written in the body of if. If you have mentioned it as a 0, it treated as false value, or if the result is false, it will not execute the body of if function. It will move to the else and it will execute the else statement. Okay, but if you check the syntax here, so that is what the confusion in one of you. If logical condition, so we have seen what are the logical statements are there, either greater than or less than. Okay, here it will not be clearly visible. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, either this sign or sorry, this sign or like greater than equal to or less than equal to, okay, or equal to or exactly equal to. Okay, you should not be stuck only with those sign. Okay, or this or operation and logical or फक्त हेच ऑपरेशन्स असतील असं काही नाही. That is what I have given this hint for you in the yesterday example. What we have seen, if you have given any number other than 0, any number in the sense if you give like -5, this -5 will also return a true value and it will execute the body of this if loop as it gives the true value. Okay, any value other than 0 will return a true value and it will execute the if. If it returns the 0 value, then it will execute the else loop. Okay, मग या केसमध्ये आपण कुठला लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर यूज केलाय का? No. These are we can say exception. Very rarely used conditions are like this. Like if I'm checking a single value. Sorry. Okay, here I have mentioned it as a character constant. It is very rarely. Okay, this is for you the concept. Okay, असा आपण प्रोग्राम मध्ये कुठेही यूज करत नाही, but it is for your information. And what is mostly using is mentioned here in the syntax part. If and logical condition, mostly logical conditions are used, but you should know like if I write here character constant, only character constant, string constant, integer value, float value, any that means minus integer. Okay, so it will return true value. That means if loop. Okay, so for your answer, like it is mandatory to use these symbols. That means the logical conditions. It is not compulsory. Just now we have seen it. Okay, now okay, this much is we have completed. Now give next heading as in your notebook, else if ladder. I will write it here, else if ladder. Okay, give this heading, else if ladder. Okay, in the else if ladder, write down syntax. Write down the syntax. Is it visible for you, everyone? Your screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the syntax, write it down if in bracket logical condition 1, in bracket logical condition 1, next in curly bracket body of if loop, in curly bracket statement 1 semicolon, statement 1 semicolon, body of if loop completed with close curly bracket. Okay, next line, else if. So here you are not writing only else, you need to add else if. In the else if, open bracket, logical condition second, logical condition second.
सर एकदा रिपीट करता का?
Which one? Hello? Hello?
हॅलो सर, लिहिण्यामध्ये मागं दिसत नाहीये सर ते.
Okay, I will. Okay, now whether it is clearly visible? Hello? Else if in round bracket logical condition second, logical condition second or 2. Next line, open curly bracket, statement 2 or statement 3. You write one statement, give semicolon, and it has to end with close curly bracket. Okay, so next line again, else if the second, the same syntax as you have written for else if. else if in round bracket logical condition 3, next line open curly bracket, write statement, give semicolon, it close with close curly bracket, then write else, then write else, after else open curly bracket, open curly bracket, next line statement and comma, semicolon, in sorry, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket, and okay, so this much is the syntax for the program. Now, okay, so we'll complete the theory first, then we'll go for exact example. Okay, the next line. Okay, are you with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so on the next line, write down from the syntax. From the syntax, we are using two keywords if and else. From the syntax, we are using two keywords if and else. Next line, else if ladder is used when else if ladder is used when we are dealing with more than two logical conditions. Dealing with more than two logical conditions. Next line, after else, ELSE, comma, logical condition cannot be written directly. Before logical condition, if keyword is required before logical condition, if keyword is required. Okay, so have you written this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will go to the program. Okay, so we have implemented. Okay, everyone, are you here on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have implemented a program to find the greatest number among three number. Okay, now I'm adding one more number. Okay, implement a program to find greatest number out of four numbers. Any four numbers. Okay, so I'm going to write a code. So who will help me to write a code? Okay, I will put integer a is equal to, let's say, 20, b is equal to 30. Okay, so which one is the greatest number out of these four?
D.
D, that is your 50, right? So I want to write a program to find out the greatest number if I have these four numbers. So who will tell me how I can write a program? Yes, anyone? We have already implemented finding a greatest number in two numbers, right? From any two numbers. Now we are writing here a program to find out a number which is greatest in the given four numbers. Okay, we are not looking here only for two numbers. We are looking here for four numbers. So who will tell me?
If A is greater than B and A is greater than C and A is greater than D, in printf A is the greatest number.
Correct. So if A is greater than B, here I need to use AND operator, logical AND, because I want to check whether A is really greater than B, also whether A is really greater than C, and A is also greater than D. Okay, if this condition true, that means if A is greater than B, A is greater than C, and if A is greater than D, if all those conditions true, then I'm going to print, yes, printf percent d, sorry, I will write a number here. Percent d is the greatest number. Okay, and what is my percent d? Percent d is nothing but the value of A. Okay, now what is next? Yes, this is written for if. Okay, now I have checked A, whether A is greater than B, or whether A is greater than C, or whether A is greater than D. Okay, if this is the case, A is greater, it will print. But now, what about the numbers related with B variable, C variable, and D variable? How to check? Yes, can you tell me? Okay, if you remember the program for finding largest number between two numbers, A is greater than B. There we have used. Okay, and here and now else is nothing but yes. Okay. Yes. I will use /n. Okay. So if I want to identify or if I want to find out the greatest number, if I have two numbers, see for two numbers, that means I need to check only one condition, whether A is greater than B. If it is true, if this condition is true, then it will execute the body of if statement. If this condition is false, it means, yes, what is it means? A is not greater than B, or in other word, B is greater than A. Now, when we say B is greater than A, then it will execute else loop. Okay, so here I am checking only one condition, but हे समजलंय ना तुम्हाला? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, but we are not looking for only one condition. We are looking for multiple conditions, right? Here, we are not only checking A with B. We have to check A with C and D as well. In the same way, I need to check B is, I need to compare the value of B with A, C, D. Okay, so for that purpose, I'm using else if. Now here I'm going to use the condition. Now here I'm going to check B, whether B is greater than A, B is greater than C, and B is greater than, yes, D. This logical and that means this condition from its left hand side and right hand side, it must be true. Okay, if it returns false value, then it will not execute if if loop or if body of the if statement, it will move to the next. Okay, if any of the condition from this B greater than A, B greater than C, B greater than D, if any of the condition get fails, at that moment, the compiler will not execute the body of this else if loop. It will move to the next loop. Okay. Now here I am going to print the value of B. Now I am going to check the same case for else if whether C is greater than A, whether C is greater than B, and C is greater than D. Okay, if C is greater than A, B, and C, it will print the C is, that means the number is the greatest number. Okay, now tell me who is remaining for the comparison?
D.
D. So what is the syntax? If you check it here again, say if this is my logical condition 1, I'm checking the logical condition first for whether A is greater or not. In the else if, I have selected the second condition where I'm checking whether B is the greatest or not. In the else statement, here I'm else if statement, here I'm checking whether C is greater or not. Now again check. Here I'm simply using else. If whether it first check whether this is true. No, it will go to the next. Whether it will check for this, whether it is true. No, it will check next. Again, it will check whether this is okay or not. If it is true, then it will print. Now, else. Out of these above four, okay, if A is not greater, it means it will go to the next. Now here it will check B. If B is also not greater, that means now A is not greater, B is not greater. Now it will check condition for C, whether C is greater or not. If C is also not a greatest. Now A is not, B is also not greater, C is also not greater. Now who else is remaining? Out of 4, D. So instead of checking the condition, I will simply write yes. Percent D is the greatest number. That means the remaining number will be the largest number, because I have checked for A. If A is greater, it will write A is greater, and it will not go to any of the next statement. Okay. ज्यावेळेस if else मध्ये else if ladder मध्ये, so you need to remember one point here. When if any of the condition is true, okay, remember again, if any of the condition gets true, it will be executed and your compiler will not execute the further statements. लक्षात आलंय? आता हा संपला, इथे संपला. यस, हा काय संपला तुमचा? एल्स इफ लॅडरचा सिंटॅक्स. आलं लक्षात? हॅलो
Yes,
हॅलो
sir.
ओके. आता मी आता हे जे काय हायलाइट केलंय सगळं, ओके, ह्या इफ पासून ह्या क्लोज करले ब्रॅकेट पर्यंत, दिस इज सिंटॅक्स ऑफ यस एल्स इफ लॅडर. इफ आता जर इथे जर पहिलीच कंडिशन जर ट्रू झाली, ओके, इफ ए इज ग्रेटर, इट विल नॉट चेक दिस रिमेनिंग. कंपायलर तुमचा हा इफ एल्सचा जे काय स्टेटमेंट आहे, कंडिशन आहे, कंपायलर विल नॉट चेक दिस कंडिशन. एल्स इफ कंडिशन पण चेक करणार नाही, ही नेक्स्ट आहे ती. हा एल्स लूप सुद्धा चेक करणार नाही, बिकॉज यू फाइंड अ आन्सर इन द फर्स्ट कंडिशन इट सेल्फ. Okay, now the second point. Jar, instead of first case, if I executed C is the largest number, okay, A is small, this condition is false, so it will not execute. In the second condition, let's say B is small out of C or D, so this condition will not be executed. Now here, if C is the greatest number, that means C is greater than A, B and D. If this condition gets true, it will not execute the remaining else. जर ही condition जर true झाली, it will execute C is the greatest and it will not execute this else loop. Okay, your compiler will be out of this else if ladder. आलं लक्षात? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will check whether it will go to outside or not. Okay, now I will just use one statement here. Okay, we have found greatest number. Spelling mistake. Okay, simply I have made a statement. आता हा लूप कुठं संपला तुमचा? एल्स इफ लॅडर इथे एल्सलाच. प्रोग्राम तुमचा सी. ओके, आय विल मेक अ मल्टीलाइन कमेंट हियर. काही जरी झालं, when I run this program, this statement will print, because instruction is like we have it is printf, so it will print it. So we come to know this is out of what? Your else if ladder, बरोबर. Now I'm going to remove this multi-line comment. Now I'm checking the greatest out of 4 number. So when I run the program, 50 is the greatest number. Okay, 50, that means it is last. Now I will change the value. So when it comes to the last law, how it comes to the last condition up to the else, because value of a is compared with b, c, d, it founds this condition is false. So your compiler will go to next condition. It checks with else if whether b is greater than a, c, d or not. Again, if this condition is false, because 30 is not greater than 40 and 50, so it will move to next. Again, it checks for C whether it is greater from A, B, D. Again, this condition is false because 40 is less than 50, so it will move to else. The remaining number D is the greatest. Now I will change the value here. Okay, I need to check in between. So I will make this as a 60. So now your control will reach to this and it will print the value of C. Okay, I will write here C is equal to. So you will find the value of C. Okay, C is equal to %D and the value. Okay, check. Compiler, it executes the condition whether A is greater than B, C, D, no. So this body will not be executed. Then your compiler will go to else if, it will check the condition for B. So B 30 is less than 60 and 50. So again, this condition is false. Now compiler will move to next. This condition, this body will not be executed. Now condition 3, C is greater than A. Yes, it is true. C is greater than B. It is also true. And C is greater than D, remaining third. Okay, so this is the case is going to be executed and it is going to be print. Now the compiler will not check this else because it founds the true condition. When the condition is true, the compiler will jump from this else if to the directly outside. It will not check this else point and it will execute the remaining statement. आले लक्षात?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now okay, so what is the difference between if, okay, using if and this else if ladder? If आपण सुरुवातीला बघितलेत बरोबर, नुसतं if स्टेटमेंटने सुद्धा आपण काय केलेत, कंडिशन चेक केलेत का नाही? Hello.
Yes, sir.
But I want to find out the difference. What is difference between if and else if ladder? आता हाच प्रोग्राम मी कसा करू शकतो, इथे बघा. If I want to find out largest from 4 numbers, बरोबर, मला काय करायचंय, हा 4 numbers मधून काय करायचं, मला लार्जेस्ट नंबर बघायचा, बरोबर ना? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, आता मी काय केलं, हा जो आपण एलसीएफचा जो प्रोग्राम केलाय एलसीएफ लॅडर, तो आता काय केलं मी मल्टिली कमेंट लाईन मध्ये टाकलं, म्हणजे द कोड विल नॉट बी एक्झिक्यूट. नाउ आय विल ट्राय विथ इफ स्टेटमेंट. जस्ट चेक. Okay, I will write in one line only to minimize the line space. Okay, so what will be the answer of this code? एक minute. So it will come in the single window only. Okay, so what will be the answer of this program? Yes. Any one of you can tell me what will be the answer of this program? Hello. If you are getting confused, I will make it separate like this way. But it takes too much line. Yes, so what is the answer of this program? Can you tell me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, what is the answer of this question, this program? Okay, I'm going to highlight it. So tell me, what is the answer of this program?
C is greatest number.
Yes, but now I want what is difference between the statement I executed here. Like if I run 60 is the greatest number, as I have not written here C, so it will just print the value of C. 60 is greatest number, right? Now, what is difference between this if and else if ladder? मग ह्या if statements आणि else if मध्ये difference काय आहे सांगा मला. Yes, is there any difference or both are the same? See, because it runs, it gives the same output. I want you to make a difference between if and else if ladder. आपण else if if फंक्शनने सुद्धा काय करू शकतो, प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करू शकतो, राईट? बट नाउ व्हॉट इज देअर इन द एल्स इफ? मग एल्स इफ काय यूज करायचं जर आपण इफ स्टेटमेंटने जर एक्झिक्यूट करू शकत असेल प्रोग्राम तर? बिकॉज इफ यू लाईक फॉर द बिगिनर्स it seems this is easy than the else if ladder. बरोबर का? तुम्हाला हा प्रोग्राम सोपा वाटतोय का else if चा सोपा वाटतोय?
If चा.
नुसता if लिहिलेला, बरोबर? मग else if का यूज करायचं? if चा सोपा वाटणार तुम्हाला, बरोबर? कारण there are simple condition and print. If this is true, then print. If this is true, then print this. Or if this is true, then print. Okay, you find this is easier, but why there is a concept of this else if ladder? मग हा else if ladder चा concept चा यूज काय सांगा बरं? We have discussed the use. See what happens in the else if any of the condition in between, if this is true, it will execute, your compiler will execute only this condition. It will not check the remaining conditions, and your like your compiler will directly jump out of this loop and it will execute your last statement. Okay, last, or if it has certain following statements or instructions, it will execute it. But if मध्ये काय होतंय, when you are writing if, it will check all the conditions irrespective of true or false. Okay, see if a is greater than b, now in this case it will check this. Okay, as it has to check, it also has to check b. Now here I got c is the greatest number, but still the compiler will, sorry, but still the compiler will check this d, whether d is also greater than a, b, c or not. In this case, if I used only if, in this case compiler will check every if condition. प्रत्येक if condition compiler काय करेल, तुमच्या प्रोग्राम मधली चेक करेल. But this is not the case with else if ladder. If any of the condition gets true, the compiler will not check the following conditions. Okay, आता